Tapos,
This is the glass for reading for the people
anong baga, anong, tapos yung
have a problem in the eye,
iso na naman yun,
the pupil
iso na naman, kiser,
of the eye of the people.
Ayaw kayo po, daa.
Mas good if you have using reading glasses. You must go to the doctor, check up into the eye, and you wishing about the reading glasses for your eye comfortable, not buying the reading glasses not equal into your eye sicknesses. What is this? I have no sicknesses in my eye. I can read equal because if you have no sicknesses in your eye while you use the reading glasses have a the word of grado to zoom out the letter to go into the B to see clearly in your eye. Like my high school student, I write so very big letter and I pass to my teacher to read my writing, to not use the reading glasses because of very big my handwriting. My eye is going to the blurred when I see I did not determining the people when I use this. Look up. Look up. Ow. Ow. Like the mobile.